Are you looking for a coconut macaroons recipe that is gluten-free and maybe also sugar-free? This recipe is without egg white, of course, because it's vegan, and without Aqua Faba. It is a very simple one, so you can try that one. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. I used 150 grams of coconut milk of a can. I had mine in the fridge, so you can see it's almost like a cream. 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. A pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon of nut butter of choice. I used cashew nut butter. 100 grams of white rice flour. Combine everything nicely. Then I added 200 grams of unsweetened shredded coconut. This is how my dough looks like. I turn on the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I use this small cookie spoon to set my coconut macaroons onto my prepared baking sheet. If you don't have a cookie spoon, just use 2 teaspoons and shape them to a ball and put them on your prepared baking sheet. That works just fine too. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me. Thank you. So it turned out that I had almost 2 baking sheets full. So I placed my cookies into the preheated oven and baked them for about 15 minutes. And that is how they turned out. Pretty simple. So my kids make the taste test. And this is how the coconut macaroons look from the inside. My son is wishing for lots of views, thumbs up and shares. Thank you so much for watching.